my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all around my journey when it comes to weight loss, toning up. I always get questions to do more fitness related videos, and recently I added something new into my fitness routine and to my health lifestyle. So I really wanted to kind of make this video and share with you guys what has been working for me, because I know a lot of you always ask questions on how to lose weight or how to tone up, and you're struggling with that. So hopefully this will be super useful for you. To be honest, recently I've kind of been in a funk. I've kind of hit a plateau when it comes to my weight goals, and I've been just doing the same thing over and over again, and it's becoming super repetitive. So I've been really looking for something new, and I recently found the BODYBOSS 12-week fitness guide, and I'm in love. I am so happy because I actually got to partner up with BODYBOSS and share with you guys all their cool things that they have. I will have a link to the program down below for you, as well as the discount code that I have for you. But to be completely honest with you, I would not recommend something that I haven't tried myself or that I don't genuinely believe in, and I think this program is amazing. You guys know I have been doing fitness for a very long time. I was a gymnastics coach for years and a competitive gymnast. I did martial arts. My dad's a martial arts instructor. So fitness and sports has always been kind of in my life. This is great for beginners and also someone that kind of does fitness quite frequently like I do, and it kind of gives you a nice guide. So BODYBOSS is a 12-week fitness guide that centers around HIIT, which is high intensity interval training. It's a perfect combination of strength and cardio. This program is also super great because it's not tricky. There's no really equipment or gym, so you're going to save time and money, because also the workouts aren't crazy long and you don't have to go to the gym to do this. You could do it straight from home, and recently I've been so busy with work, so this has been really convenient for me because I haven't been able to just go to the gym all the time and do workouts. This is great, especially if you're someone who kind of doesn't know what to do even when you're at the gym or something like that, and you're kind of one of those people that really don't know where to start. This is going to give you the step-by-step on what you should be doing, especially if you're not super into fitness but you're still trying to be healthy and start your fitness lifestyle. This is amazing. The guide is super easy to follow, and it's broken down into different sections. So it has the pre-training that lasts 4 weeks, and especially if you're someone who's kind of just starting your fitness journey or you haven't been working out much, I definitely recommend starting with the pre-training because it's going to build your endurance for the next 12 weeks of training. It does get a little bit more difficult each week, of course, so I definitely recommend starting the pre-training. That's what I did. It lasts for 4 weeks. It's a little less intense, but it gets you going and it gets you ready to hit that 12-week program. It's going to help prep yourself for when it does get a lot more intense. What's great about this program is it gives you warm-up stretches, it gives you the actual workout, and then it also gives you cool-down stretches. So it helps you all the way from the beginning to the end and tells you exactly what you need to do, how many times, how many minutes it will take. So for example, when you do the pre-training, it is a little bit shorter, so it has circuits for 2 times 7 minutes, a total workout time of 14 minutes, and the total time should be 37 minutes with the warm-up and the cool-down. So it really has it all structured out for you. When you move on to the actual program after the pre-training, so the first week, which is the kickstart, it's going to be a little bit longer, so it goes up to 3 circuits, 7 minutes, workout time 21 minutes, and then it will be a total time of 47 minutes, including your cool down, your warm-up stretches at the beginning. So it does get a little bit more difficult when you keep going through the program. So as you can see, this is one of the HIIT circuits, and it gives you like a 7-minute HIIT circuit, and you repeat it 3 times. And I'm telling you, after those 3 times, you're going to feel the burn, and you're definitely gonna break a sweat. What's great also is you only do the BODYBOSS program for 3 days out of the week, and then some of the days they'll call you to just move your body, whether that's jumping rope, going to yoga, or doing something like a light jog. So it's not just all intense workout every single day, and they also give you recovery days. So this is why this is just super realistic. It's not like you have to work out 7 days a week and work out for 2 hours or something like that. It's really convenient. It's easy to add into your everyday life. And that's why I kind of wanted to share it with you guys, because I get so many questions where you guys want me to do a ton more workouts, and I try to do a bunch of workouts on my channel, but this one has so many workouts for you, and you can constantly use this guide. And what's really great is it's not only just a bunch of workouts and stuff like that, they also have a lot of tips and tricks on how to lose weight. They have reasons why they do what they're doing. So they talk about HIIT training and the benefits of that. They also talk about the different types of workouts and how that's really going to help you. There's a section about excuses and how to basically motivate yourself, tips for success, and how to optimize your results. And then it goes on to the actual pre-training and then the program. So it really helps you get to understand your body, get to understand how these are really going to help you, how to get the most out of this guide, and basically get the best fitness results possible. And then I also have the BODYBOSS Superfood, and this is the 12-week nutrition guide. This is amazing if you're someone like me. I'm pretty good at fitness, but when it comes to nutrition, I kind of don't know exactly everything because I never really learned too much about nutrition, and I kind of blank on what meals to make, what I should be putting into my meals. And this is a guide that is going to tell you what to eat every single day. So they have 2 booklets. They have one from weeks 1 to 6 and then weeks 7 to 12. So my best advice is to do both of them at the same time, because you could do your fitness guide and then following this is really going to help. And it also comes with a couple more booklets. It comes with smoothies and desserts, which their smoothies and desserts are so good. And also comes with a booklet called Discover Superfoods. And this is really great because it kind of explains all the superfoods and why they put certain foods into their guide and how it's going to be beneficial for your health as well. They also give you a simple food swap guide. So it's really gonna share with you little food swaps that you can make to make yourself a little bit healthier. Doing little swaps will really make a difference in your diet. It also gives you some weight loss tips and tricks, so little things that you can do to also help kickstart your weight loss journey. What's great about the nutrition book is it gives you kind of the ingredients you're going to need. It also gives you kind of a grocery list for every week. So as you see, this is week 1 and it gives you a shopping list of all the ingredients you're gonna need. It also tells you kind of how to prep it, when you should prep it, and then as you can see, it gives you everything you should be eating. So here we have week 1, and they always give you 3 meals and 2 snacks. So on Monday, for example, you would have the carb-free eggy muffins. The snack would be half a cup of nuts. Lunch will be butt-kicking taco bowls. Mid-afternoon snack is a baby banana burgers, and dinner is keep on track quinoa. The food is also so yummy. It has 150 recipes, so you're never gonna get bored, and they are really good food. They're not just the boring typical plain old chicken, veggies. It actually has a lot of variety. Everything that's going to get you excited to eat healthy and kind of stay on track, because I feel like the actual eating part is hard for a lot of us because we kind of get bored and then we have those cravings to eat junk food because it just seems more appealing to us. But it's all about finding recipes that are going to taste amazing so that you don't crave those unhealthy foods. What's also great about the BODYBOSS nutrition program is they do give you approved cheat meals. So if you ever do have those cravings and you want a cheat meal, they have options in the book that are a better option if you are going to have a cheat meal as opposed to just grabbing your typical cheat meals, whether that's going out to, let's say, a fast food place and ordering a ton of food. This is going to give you those healthier options, but still super yummy cheat meals that you can indulge in. Like I said, what's great about this program is it's very realistic. It doesn't expect you to just work out 7 days a week, eat clean, and just eat veggies all day long and protein. It's actually a realistic guide that basically sets you up for success as opposed to setting you up for failure, and it's a lot easier to attain those fitness goals. These recipes are just very jam-packed with superfoods, lean protein, healthy fats, and as well as wholesome carbs. They're very creative recipes. They're not just the plain old bland recipes, and to be honest, I've actually learned so much, so many recipes in here. I'm so excited to try because there's so many of them, and this honestly made my day. I was so happy when I received this and to see all the different recipes. They are so yummy. I can't, like, even everything that they show is just like looks like goals. Like, I'm obsessed with it. That is how I've been staying fit and losing weight and hitting my fitness goals. I hope this was useful for you guys. I genuinely recommend this, especially if you're someone that doesn't like going to the gym, or you don't know what to eat, or you don't know what to do when it comes to workouts to tone up certain areas. This is a great program for you because it has it all laid out and it's super realistic. It's not something that's not attainable. I think a lot of us, sometimes we set such unattainable goals and we lose motivation. This just helps you stay on track and actually hit those fitness goals and feel amazing. I've definitely noticed a difference in my body. I've seen such changes. It's really helped me to tone up. I hope this was useful for you guys. I had so much fun sharing it with you. Thumbs it up if you guys liked it and if it was helpful. Once again, I will have the link down below to BODYBOSS and as well as my discount code for you. I definitely recommend checking out their fitness guide and as well as their nutrition guide. It's just super useful, and if you have been kind of in a funk but you've been wanting to start your health journey and you've kind of been slacking, definitely check this out because this is gonna give you the push you need, and it's very easy to follow and it's just a really great guide. I'm so impressed with both the nutrition and the fitness guide. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want, you can follow me on my socials. I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. It's always linked down below. I will also link my fitness playlist down below for you guys to check a bunch of my other videos. But before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're part of the Nicolette's Fam Jam because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!